Hello, Idaho. Marcy Zwelling here, Dr. Zwelling, calling you coming to you by video from sunny Southern California. I want to talk to you about a wonderful woman that I met at the AMA. I met Dr. Vicki Wool, a physician's physician, a doctor's doctor. What a wonderful woman. Talk about integrity. Talk about persistence. Talk about persuasiveness. She is the cat's meow. Well, I'm not sure that my cats have quite her integrity. In any event, Vicki is engaging. She's reached out to other delegates at the AMA, and she's been a wonderful representative of Idaho. And I encourage you strongly, ever so strongly, to vote for her candidacy in the coming election. I can't think of a better position to represent Idaho. I hope I see her back in Chicago and wherever else we are across the country. And you should know that Vicki is not just at the AMA. She's all over the country, representing you and your patients, and representing what's best in medicine, the patient-doctor relationship and the opportunity for patient choice and doctor choice. Thank you for your time, and thank you for listening to someone from sunny Southern California. By the way, I have been to Idaho, and you have a wonderful state. Boise is incredible. Thank you for having me. I hope to come back soon, and I hope to see Vicki at the House of Delegates soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.